What's up, everybody? I'm here with a very tiny four-wheeler. It's a 50cc four-wheeler that my buddy dropped off. He's been trying to get it ready for his kid to ride. He bought it for him for Christmas, I think, but it wouldn't start.
First thing I did was check the battery. Pulled the battery out, put it on a charger, check voltage. The battery is good. So I put it back in. I got the key on. Run, kill switch is on. Try and start it, nothing. So what I did is I popped the insulators off of the solenoid and I just crossed that and it fired right up. So it's an electrical short somewhere in the ignition system, but if you want to rip it around, we'll just cross that, fire it up, and we can turn the kid loose on it.